Hello, guys. Hope that you all are well, fine, and making a lot of profits. So, in this video, we are analyzing gold based on FOMC. FOMC news trade, that what is going to happen in at the time of news, and let's see which type of behaviors we will see. So now let's move towards our analysis, and currently I have previously mentioned about this account, and we are running this account perfectly. But now I am again starting another challenge. That challenge will convert $100 into 100k and then 1 million, and of course all that challenge will be 100% live. As you can see my all trades, and my all trades are working very well, and I have converted about 5k dollars into 100k, and in this account, which is IC market account, which is of course new, and my challenge is to convert that account into more than 100k. That's our main or basic requirement. And if we talk about gold analysis, then this channel was marked previously here. All these lines were perfectly marked, and now market break that level, retested that level, and then suddenly moves upside. So now here is a good support area, and currently market is it at good support. So let's see what will happen at this support area. And if we talk about entry conditions at this level, then bullish engulfing was formed when market retested this level, and this level was marked previously in our previous stream. So I am not a new content creator, I am a Udemy instructor, and all these things, all this data is available, and if you wanted to confirm, then you guys can easily confirm it. Okay, I will share the link of my YouTube channel, and you guys can easily confirm it. So that's why subscription to this channel is necessary and a basic requirement, and you should always press the bell icon, so whenever I share some new strategy, so you can easily go with it. So currently, if we talk about structure, if we talk about waves, if we talk about fundamentals, all those things are in bullish scenario for the gold. Why? Because dollar is weakening day by day, and maybe chances of war is increasing day by day. Also, there are other multiple factors of fundamentals. All those CPIs, all those things are bullish for the gold. So currently we are waiting for the today news, which is FOMC, and I think that FOMC will also come in favor of this gold, and we are going to see some more upside movements. So if you wanted to learn our method, how I have achieved this data and how I am converting that $100 into more than 100k, you can easily follow us. Also, that data or that signals will be shared to you via IC markets, via MQL5. So anybody can copy our signals, anybody can copy our portfolio, and you can also make money. So this is for the, you can say, limited time offer, and then we will close those slots, and it will be not available anymore. So that's why whenever those slots are available, you must consume this opportunity. So it's great for your profitability without any hustle. So currently there is not any such movement in the gold. If we see 5-minute or 4-hour morning star and bullish engulfing has already formed. So in the news, if market touch this 80 or 70 area, we will try to go long. If we see here, let me analyze volumes more easily. So if you wanted to join our course, you guys are welcome. It's available on the Udemy. I will share the link. And currently market is slowly shifting its momentum towards buy side. Previously it was weak. So this is the center line, you can say, our main resistance area. So if market has broke upside, and if market touch this area again in the retest, and if volumes are less in the retest, then we can enter easily in this market. Okay, these all are volume confirmations, or these all are volume spread analysis techniques. So you must understand each and everything for better understanding. So you can see that the strength of bullish side. Volumes are much more clear in the higher time frames. If we analyze volume here, we have got very high volume at this point, and at this point, at this high volume, we formed this bullish engulfing and a good retest of this bullish engulfing, and then we have moved up to more than 130 pips. So all these tricks, all these methods, all these indicators, all these stuffs I have already teach you in that course which is available on the Udemy. Okay, so here it's a clear cut, very easy trade. You can see that volumes are increasing in the down move, and retest is happening of this level with the low volumes, and also this confirmation. So we can take entry at the candlestick pattern verification at this level. It's very easy method, and everybody who is well understanding and who understand these things clearly can join this course, and it will become very profitable for all type of traders who are interested in it. Let me share the link of my channel to main channel so we can easily connect with each other. Okay, let me share my stream. So anybody can join our new channel stream, and if you have any questions, we will try to clear all questions there. Okay, so in that channel we have changed the pinned message, so everybody can join our this new stream, and I think data is not sharing perfectly, so maybe we are facing some connection issues. It's a night time, so maybe due to some strong usage from all other the people, that's why maybe we are not getting some good connections. So let's hope for the best. I am starting this channel, and all type of videos, all type of streams will be shared here, and keep in mind that our previous channel has some recorded live stream, but in this channel we will only do live trading, and then we will try to cover all those trading strategies, all those behaviors, and all those stuffs 100% free without even a single fee. If you guys have any question, feel free to ask, and I will love to answer. So soon I am going to start new challenge, and in that challenge we are going to convert $100 into 100k. Yes, bro. If you have any question, you can ask. Actually, that channel is using some pre-recorded voice because that channel had some issues. So that's why I decided to go with this channel. So if you have any question, any type of question, then you can ask. Also subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, and if you have some community, then you
Yes, bro. If you have
then you must share this channel. It will really helpful for me. So you are asking about supply and demand zones and their draw behaviors. So let's go here. Supply and demand is simply means supply means there is availability of things, for example availability of orders and availability of things, and people are not that much interested in buying that. Okay, so same is for demand. For demand means that there is demand available, there are people who are ready to buy, but there is less supply. So if you understand these basic concepts, then you can easily mark those areas. So those areas are also considered as a support and resistance zones, and if you combine those supply and demand with any fair value gap, then it is considered as a confluence zone. So confluence zones are much higher chances of working, and only those supply and demand zones does not work. So for the simple definition of supply and demand is simply that when prices move suddenly from any level, then it creates some demand area. For example, market suddenly moving from here to here, then it has created some fair value gaps, it has created some demand zone at this level. So whenever market will touch this, market will show some resistance. Like whenever market touched this supply zone, market suddenly moves upside and then again down, again up. So this is the perfect example. Let me give you one more example for the demand. So actually there is a different concept which is considered as a flip zones. So when there is supply level, when specific conditions met, that will converted into flip zone. Flip zone means that previously it acts as a support, but now it's a resistance, and simply in the opposite. For example, if you see here, then this is the flip zone. Why? Because here it was acting as a resistance level. Okay, it was resisting, and this was the supply zone. But when market suddenly breaks above with the high volumes, So volume spread analysis is the you can say that is the perfect method for understanding everything. So at the breakouts, high volumes are very necessary. So that's the main condition for the breakout in volume spread analysis. So if high volume is coming at the breakout and there is a sharp breakout, then that will create some flip zone, and now this area has become flipped. Previously it was resistance area, now it has become support area. So previously it was acting as a no supply area, but due to this breakout and high volumes, now it has become no demand area. So whenever market will touch this, there are unfilled orders of institutions available. This is also considered as a liquidity available here, or unfilled orders are available here. That's why this little fair value gap is created, and then it has become flip zone. So whenever market has touched this zone here, you can see that it's my buy order here. So why I bought here? Because it was a flip zone. Previously it was supply zone, but then due to flip it is converted into demand zone, and my buy order was here. You can see that market suddenly moves into it. It has filled all those institutions orders and all those whales order. You can say it's a liquidity sweep, and then after touching, market suddenly moves upside. Okay, so there are multiple behaviors and multiple things to be considered at this level. So for better or more precise entry, if you have marked this zone in the 1 hour, then when market will retest that zone, again you can go into lower time frame like 15-minute and 5-minute. If you found any candlestick pattern like morning star, like bullish engulfing in the 15-minute at this level, then you can easily enter with that, and you can see that how much profits we have made with this trade. And with this simple concept, same type of scenario is happening here. Previously it was acting as a resistance, but when market broke this level, again I have bought again here. Why? Because maybe I have bought at this point at the retest. I have bought here, and because previously it was supply zone, now it has demand and also fair value gap, also fast breakout and high volumes, means increasing volume or good volume. So all those conditions are completed. We got some buy condition here. So hope maybe then it hit the SL, and again we enter again with some other conditions. So that's a long story, but each and every move, each and every move, each and every trading behavior is you can say that validated or confirmed by the volumes. Volume confirmation is very necessary, and you must understand these things to move further. For trading, I usually use for trade I use 1 hour, but for the signals or for the entering, usually I prefer 15-minute and 5-minute for the confirmations. Okay, my main structure or main trading cycle is based on 1 hour, and then for the confirmations I use 5 minute and 15 minute. Don't worry, as you know that I have converted this account from 5k to more than 100k. And I also started another challenge, which is converting $100 into 100k. So I think I have achieved more than 300% within 1 week. So I will share the signals with you guys, and soon if more audience will come, then I will share how you can copy those portfolio which I am using. So you don't need it to consistently copy trade, but it should do automatically. For example, the signal copying thing, and I think it's available with the MQL5, and I'm using IC market broker with that account. So maybe IC market social. So soon I will public that strategy, public that portfolio, but currently I am not publishing it due to some issues, but soon that will be available. I also have multiple courses on Udemy, and if you wanted to join, then you are welcome. Those are very helpful, and all those links, all those methods which I am using are shared there. Let's do some quick trading or scalping. Can we do scalping here? It's a sell. Let's take a sell here. Very aggressive entry. Let's put a SL here. Very aggressive approach, very risky approach. Taking sell with this type of sharp move, actually I don't recommend scalping. Scalping is not that much easy, it's very difficult. You needed a lot of strong nerves for this scalping. I am very bad at nerves. I can't control my nerves when multiple orders stop loss hit. I usually go out of focus. So currently, by looking at the structure, it's bearish. So let's see what will happen with this trade. I think it should break this resistance level and it should go down. Confirmations are not that much there because of course we are doing it very aggressively. So these no demands are enough for this trade to be valid. It's a simple logic. If no demand is available in the higher time frame, like in 30-minute, no demand is available. In the 15-minute, no demand is available. In the 5-minute, two no demands are available, and 1 minute if no demand found, then of course we can go in this direction. It's that easy. This indicator is provided in our course. Whenever it moves little bit, you can book your half profits and then wait for the more profits to come. Trading is very simple and easy. Why most of the people complicate? Look at the structure, it's a bearish. Chalk has happened. Retest, structure broke here. Here structure was broke. Bearish structure started from here. There was multiple no demands available. Of course it can hit SL. That's how market works. But you must have a good understanding of structure. No supply, no demands, and all those stuff. So it can be very easy for you to detect good trades in the market. We are waiting for FOMC. When news will come, we will try to see the market, and then we will decide that whichever side market should move. Frustrated citizen. I am not frustrated. Could Europe stop a Russian invasion without the help of US and its military? Of course, Europe can stop. Even Ukraine has brought Russia to its knees. So of course it's easy. What type of shit they write? So understanding of these no supplies, no demands, and those structural levels are very necessary. As you can see, I have taken the trade, and trade perfectly goes into my favor. I am trying to remove this box so it's easy for you to visualize the trade. I am on 1 minute, and here we have already done 1:1. Now we can mark this trade as break even, but if you wanted, you can hold this trade. I will took the stop loss. That's how my strategy works. Maybe I will close this trade 1:3 or 1:5, but actually I don't recommend selling. It's just for stream purposes. I am a fundamental trader and a positional trader. Positional trader always hold trades for the long term, and he took his decisions based on fundamentals. Okay, but most of the people like this aggressive approach, which is scalping, and it's not recommended by me, but due to public demand and due to favorism of people, that's why I took this trade. And this trade was very simple based on this structure and no demand behavior. If you have not listened, you can go back, and you can easily check that what type of conditions was there for this trade to be validated. Okay, so hope you have understood all these scenarios, all these concepts. We have a whole course for this type of trading. Actually, I recommend this positional trading or long term trading, which is based on strong analysis and strong fundamentals. That type of trader is successful. I occasionally take trades, and you can see my 0.30 and 0.01, 0.50, and even 0.30 had bring me 22,000 profits. Here 0.30 had bring me 22,000, 0.25 have bring me 14,000 profits, and this 0.50. So if you look into the time, then these are trades from the January. I started taking trades in the January, and of course 2 trades in the January, 1 trade in the February, and 2 to 3 trades in the March, and all those trades are going very well. So all those trades was based on strong fundamental analysis, and then positional trading was based on volume spread analysis. So that's the power of this method, which is volume spread analysis. Okay, so our trade is now 1:2. I think I should book some profits here. Little bit profit booking is very necessary. So let's book $50 profit here. Okay, so I have booked this $50 profit. I usually don't book profits because my target is 5,000 for the gold, so that's why I don't book profits. But of course it's a sell trade and it's a short term scalping trade, so that's why I am booking some profits. So if you guys have not subscribed my channel, then subscription is must hit the like button, must click the bell icon, so whenever I am live I will provide signals to you, and I will took trades based on analysis, and of course you guys can easily copy. I have converted this account from 5k to more than 100k. So I started another account which is $100, and my target is to convert that account up to more than 100k. So that will also be seen 100% live. I will took all those trades live, and I will convert that account up to 100k 100% live. Okay, there is nothing to hide. All trades will be based on our logic, our method, and all those teachings which I already provided you on Udemy. Our all trades will be based on those things. So we are going good. Let's see how much profit we can make with this trade. So we already booked some profits, so of course we don't needed to wait for our SL. Profit booking with any trade is very necessary, and if you are booking profits, then you are a successful trader. Keep in mind that if you have 40% or 50% win rate with 1:2 or 1:3 risk to reward ratio, then you guys are successful trader. Okay, as I already booked this SL which I have placed, so now I don't needed to worry about this SL, and maybe in the news this SL will hit, but now I don't worry about this SL because I already booked some profits. Okay, hope that everybody is getting my point. And if you guys have any question, then feel free to ask. I will love to answer for all type of questions which arises to me. This is a strong level. Market has broke down and now retesting this red line. So maybe from this red line again market goes down. Let's see what will happen if market touch this red line or not. But based on this moving average, based on this structure, and based on this no demand logic, we are in the downside. We are in the sell position now. Okay, so 12 minutes left for the news of FOMC. Let's see what type of news will come. So if there is positive news for the dollar, then maybe we can expect market to go further down. But if there is negative, then we are not going down, we will again go up. Because if we talk about previously, CPI was negative, and then another news, I think PPI or something like that, which is also negative. So consecutively two negative side came, and gold pumped very hard, because of course if there is negative news, gold will pump. It's just a simple definition. And most of the chances, it's just my prediction, it can be wrong, but my prediction is that because previously two newses were negative, this time maybe we can get some positive news. And gold of course also is at very high, so maybe little bit pullback we can expect. Why? Because I am analyzing this price behavior from you can say that 2 days, and all this price behavior is for the sign of weakness. Clear cut breakout above this red line is very necessary. If you do not break above, then maybe little bit downside move can happen based on the fundamental news. But how much it can go further, maybe it can touch this red line, maybe, I am not sure. If we talk about this resistance, yeah, it can behave like this, it can test this level, may and may not, I am not sure, but maybe it can come for this retesting of this level if market broke this resistance, this support level. So maybe after this support break, maybe we can expect market to come at this level. Why at this level? Because then it is behaving little bit as you can say that head and shoulder, but of course it's a premature to say anything about any pattern. But currently if news again negative, then it will not come down. If news is negative, if this FOMC is negative, market will not stop. Again it will make another high and then again another high. Okay, so little bit volatility is coming in the market. Let's see what will happen and how market will behave at this FOMC. 7 minutes left and we are already up 1 hour. It's 1 hour that our stream has started.